Hi, welcome back. My name is Sergey, owner of Architectural Mall. In our previous video, we covered the three different types of fiberglass columns. In this video, I'm going to cover the rest of the materials that columns are made in. We're going to start with PVC column covers. We're going to move on to GFRC column covers, Polymer Stone or Royal Stone column covers, aluminum column covers, wood columns, and finally polyurethane column covers. This video's purpose is to be a guide for selecting your products. More information is available on our website. Now let's talk about the PVC column covers. They are a great alternative for a very budget conscious project. PVC column covers are available only in a square form. They are made to surround structural columns and are not in any way, shape, or form load bearing. They are available from 6-inch to 24-inch square, tapered and non-tapered. They will not rot, crack, split, or separate due to exposure to the outside elements. PVC columns do not need to be painted, and depending on the type of PVC column cover ordered, carry a lifetime warranty. Our standard thickness is 5/8 inch, and that is the one that carries the lifetime warranty. Our economy line is 3/8 of an inch thick and has a 5-year warranty. Let's look at our GFRC column covers next. The GFRC, or glass fiber reinforced concrete, is also meant to be a column cover for an existing structural column. These are great for large commercial projects. They are durable to high amounts of traffic. They are made in segments to be stacked on top of each other like Legos. They are really heavy, thick, and can be made to almost any diameter. They are limited to a max of 10 foot to 12 foot in height per piece and can be stacked vertically to achieve any height. The GFRC column covers are available in paint grade or finished grade product. Since they are made from a concrete cement mix, they do have a fire rating. The GFRC column covers go very well with our cornice, our GFRC window surrounds, our door surrounds, and pediments. Our next material is polymer stone. Polymer stone columns are considered to be the best when it comes to synthetic columns. They are a manufactured limestone product that looks, feels, and outlasts natural stone. Yet they are a fraction of the cost and the weight. The columns come in 6 standard colors and smooth or textured finish and do not need to be painted. Custom colors are welcome. They are made in one piece from 6-inch diameters to 42-inch diameters. Plain, round, square, tapered, non-tapered, fluted, barrel, virtually any shape and or size. These columns are load bearing and they do not need any internal structural columns. The caps and bases are made in the same matrix, therefore they will look exactly like the rest of the column. These columns are made in the same molds as our fiberglass column covers and our fiberglass cast columns. Our Royal Stone balustrades are made in the same material and complement these columns. Polymer stone columns have a limited lifetime warranty. Let's look at aluminum column covers next. Aluminum column covers are very limited in styles and sizes. They are finished, so they do not need to be painted. They are available in round or square, non-tapered options only. They are available as a column cover and as a load-bearing or structural column to a certain degree. These are the least expensive option that we carry and do have a lifetime warranty as well. Our next columns are wood. Wood columns are available in paint grade or stain grade. The paint grade options exist mostly due to certain projects where historical rules dictate replacements to be in wood. Wood columns are not the best for exterior use. They will rot, they will crack, and they will split with time. For this reason, there is no warranty on exterior wood columns. The stain grade columns are a great accent for all interiors. Their quality is second to none, and they are available in virtually every shape and wood species. These columns will be the most expensive option of any type. They carry a 2-year warranty. Our last and final column type is polyurethane. Polyurethane columns, in our opinion, are the lowest on the totem pole. They are relatively overpriced compared to fiberglass or any of the previous options in this video. They are not durable, but are the lightest column option. They are, in our opinion, really meant for displays where a light, easy to set up, and mobile column is necessary, like weddings or trade shows. They are limited in sizes and shapes. They are made in halves and are purely decorative. They do not have any load-bearing capacity or structural attributes. I hope this made it easy to determine the best fit product for your project. Feel free to call us at 877-279-9993 or email us at sales@architecturalmall.com for more information or any questions that you may have. We have 2 CAD's draftsmen standing by to assist in shop drawings, pre-designed drawings, and all of our specs and AutoCAD files are available online. Thank you for listening.